Ever been in the middle of a crazy deadline, searching for that perfect 3D model, but just can't find it? That's where Blueberry AI comes in. It's like your studio's super organized teammate, helping you find, preview, and collaborate on every 2D and 3D asset instantly. Imagine your team is rushing a deliverable, and someone uploaded a texture weeks ago, but nobody remembers the file name. Traditional file systems waste hours and kill creativity. With Blueberry AI's semantic search, just type what you want, like sofa, and every related model, texture, or reference pops up instantly. Now picture receiving 3D files from multiple teams: Blender, Maya, 3ds Max, CATIA, and switching software constantly. Blueberry AI lets you preview over 100 3D formats right in your browser. Rotate, zoom, inspect details, leave comments, no installs, no plugins. Working with global teams can get messy with multiple drafts and version conflicts. Blueberry AI keeps everyone on the same page with version tracking, permission control, shared feedback threads, and secure file sharing. Blueberry AI, powered by AWS, makes managing and collaborating on 3D assets seamless and efficient. Blueberry AI makes finding, previewing, and sharing 3D assets effortless. Stop wasting time and start creating more. Try Blueberry AI today and see how much smoother your workflow can be. Tool 2. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered conversational assistant that helps with writing content, scripts, and emails, answering questions and summarizing documents, brainstorming ideas, or solving problems quickly. It's available online and can be integrated into workflows to save time and boost efficiency. Tool 3. Runway AI. Runway AI is a creative platform for video and image editing using AI. Key features: text to video and text to image generation, background removal, green screen effects, and video enhancement, collaboration for teams on creative projects. It's ideal for video creators, marketers, and social media content makers. Tool 4. Jasper AI. Jasper AI is a content writing assistant designed to create high-quality text fast. It can generate blog posts, marketing copy, and product descriptions, rewrite content in multiple tones and styles, optimize for SEO automatically. Jasper AI is widely used by marketers, copywriters, and businesses to save time and improve content quality. Tool 5. 11 Labs AI. 11 Labs AI is an advanced text-to-speech tool. It allows you to generate realistic, natural-sounding voiceovers from text, clone voices for personalization or multilingual support, use it for audiobooks, videos, podcasts, or presentations. It's a must-have for content creators who want professional audio output quickly. From managing complex 3D models to generating AI-powered content, Blueberry AI stands out as a complete solution for creative teams. Experience the power of Blueberry AI integrated with AWS to streamline your creative workflow and boost productivity. And start exploring Blueberry AI today and see how it can elevate your creative projects.